much can surface alter your ball reaction? That's what we're here to find out today. This particular commenter on a Turbo X video I did here recently wanted to know what that ball looked like with surface change. So this is for you and for anybody wondering, should you change your surface on your ball? Can you change the surface on your ball? The quick answer to that question is absolutely yes. All right, so here we have a Turbo X. It does have a couple games on it, so it's just got lane shine. What I have is a simple microfiber cloth. I'm using a fresh 2000 pad, and you can use any particular brand that you want, whether it be Vice, Genesis, CTD, whatever. Altering the surface can and will change your ball reaction, your shape rather. Just make sure, one, if you're new to doing this, make sure if you're in a USBC sanctioned competition, make sure you do this before practice ends, okay? So nothing crazy. I like to use the microfiber cloth as just to hold on to it. Just lightly. Now this one is a fresh pad, so you gotta make sure that you hit all sides of the ball as evenly as possible. How hard or how much you want is up to you, depending on your situation. Just again, make sure it's even, uniform. Now you can do this as I'm doing it by hand, or you can do it in your local pro shop and do it on a machine like a Haas machine or something. But surface is changed. Now let's see ball reaction. Now if you've watched any of my videos, if you see the original video for this, that was out of box, no lane surf or no alters whatsoever. Now you're gonna see what this ball looks like when it's chalked up. All right, so for this demonstration, we're changing lanes. 3 has some games on it from shooting some other videos. 4 has not been touched. Again, I've only thrown, 2-3 shots with this, so the surface is still there, still got some texture. Let's see, let's just start more up the gut. Smooth, non-reactive, right? Versus with some transition, that grit can and will cause the ball to sometimes either do that, or depending on the cover stock core combination, cause that ball to burn up. So the real question is, when should you alter the surface? Really in 2 different situations. One, you need the ball to pick up a little earlier, or B, maybe like on the other lane, lane 3, if I want to calm down that reaction off the spot, that ball will grip, kind of slow down a little bit. Really those 2 scenarios. So I'm gonna throw a couple more shots on this fresh side so you can get an idea of what that looks like. We're gonna move our feet just a little bit to the left, about 3 boards. Play the same part of the lane, up the gut. That cover stock is very responsive anyway, but in comparison, if that were out of the box, that ball would have soft friction and probably pop even harder, or rolled out simply because of the over-under that's going on, that wet dry. All right, let's do one more. Yeah. Ball caught oil, didn't overreact, didn't skid, it just rolled right through it because it's got that teeth to do that. Let's do one more. I'm gonna move a little more left, a couple boards. Get inside of the pattern a little bit. Ooh, got away with that one. Yep, you see how smooth that was? That's what surface can do to your ball. It can take your ball from going 60 feet, or sometimes when it sees friction, jackknifing on you, or being inconsistent, AKA over under. So surface can be your friend if you use appropriately. Hope that helps you. Thank you for the comment. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.